In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a MetaMask wallet on iPhone. First, you need to install or open the MetaMask application on your iPhone. To do this, locate the MetaMask app icon on your home screen. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the App Store and download it. Make sure you download the official MetaMask app to ensure the security of your wallet. The app is easily identifiable by its fox logo. Once you have the app open, you will be greeted with a user-friendly interface that guides you through the recovery process. This first step is crucial as it sets the stage for restoring your wallet securely. Next, tap on the option that says Import using Secret Recovery Phrase. This is an important choice as it allows you to restore your previous wallet using the unique recovery phrase you saved when you created your wallet. After selecting this option, the screen will prompt you for the recovery phrase. It is vital to follow this step carefully as it directly links to your wallet's security and access. You are now one step closer to regaining access to your digital assets. Now enter your 12-word secret recovery phrase in the correct order. Make sure to type each word accurately, as even a small error can prevent you from recovering your wallet. This phrase is the key to your wallet, so handle it with care. Take your time during this process to ensure that everything is correct. You may see a confirmation message on the screen once you have entered the words correctly. This is a reassuring sign that you are on the right track. After entering the recovery phrase, you will need to create and confirm a new password. This password will protect your wallet and should be strong and unique. Make sure to choose a password that you can remember but is difficult for others to guess. The app will prompt you to enter this password twice to confirm it. This step is essential for ensuring the security of your wallet, as a strong password helps safeguard your assets from unauthorized access. Once you have successfully created and confirmed your password, complete the setup to restore your wallet. The app will process your information and, if everything is correct, you will regain access to your MetaMask wallet. This final step is rewarding as it confirms that you have successfully navigated the recovery process. You will see your wallet balance and transaction history appear on the screen, bringing you back to where you left off. Remember, it is important never to share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. This phrase is private and should be kept secure at all times. If you had accounts previously imported using separate private keys, you may need to add those accounts manually again. This ensures that all your assets are properly accounted for. Following these steps carefully will help you regain access to your MetaMask wallet securely. Now you are equipped to recover your MetaMask wallet on your iPhone with confidence. Take your time, follow these steps closely, and you will be back to managing your digital assets in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.